Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Airtable to build a marketing dashboard step by step clearly. To install Airtable for building a marketing dashboard, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Airtable website at www.airtable.com. Click on the Sign Up for Free button located on the homepage. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and sign in. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Airtable workspace. On the dashboard, click on the Add a Base button. Choose Start from Scratch to create a new base for your marketing dashboard. You can give your base a title such as Marketing Dashboard. Next, click on Customize Field to set up your first table. Add field names that are relevant to your marketing metrics, such as campaign name or budget. Select the type of field for each metric, like single line text, number, or a tag. Use the grid view to easily manage and visualize your data. To create additional tables, click on the plus button next to your current table's name. Name these tables based on the different aspects of your marketing strategy, like social media or email campaigns. Now, link your tables if needed for more comprehensive analysis. To do this, add a field in one table and select Link to another record. Next, you can use the Apps feature to include charts and graphs for visual representation. Click on the Apps button on the top right corner of the dashboard. Select Add an app and choose from a variety of visualization options. Customize your app settings to display the data you want to analyze. Once all settings are configured, explore the dashboard to ensure everything is working properly. Finally, save your progress and share your dashboard with team members if needed. You have successfully installed Airtable and built a marketing dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.